Dati kasi akong insecure na tao, Kuis. Kailangan kong i-put out lagi sa mundo yung ginagawa ko.
Validation issues and people pleasing more has to do with how you see yourself.
Hindi ko na kine-crave yung validation.
What has been the most impactful lesson that you have learned recently?
Ito talaga, doing things for myself, hindi para sa validation ng ibang tao. Kasi dati kasi akong insecure na tao, Kuis.
Pareho tayo. Pareho tayo.
Marami akong insecurities. Mainly nagmumula siya dahil naging teenager ako na puro acne, ganyan. And nalimit ko yung sarili ko socially, yung time na dapat nilalaan ko to grow my relationships with friends and connect with other people. Nalimit siya ng insecurities. Then nagkaroon ako ng time na, yes, nagbabounce back ako, ganyan. Pero dahil siguro sa insecurities na yun, meron akong need to validate myself so much na, alam mo yun, para siguro mapagtakpan ba yung mga insecurities ko, kailangan kong i-put out lagi sa mundo yung ginagawa ko. Na hindi lang ako basta itong tao na para sa akin na perceive nyo. Pero judgment ko yung sarili ko, pinoproject ko lang pala sa kanila eh.
Tama.
Pero yeah, ngayon okay na ako eh, kasi somehow marami akong ginawa na nagkaroon ako ng legit na pag-value sa sarili ko. Nakikita ko na hindi ko na kailangan i-prove yung sarili ko sa iba eh. Siguro it comes with nagbungang hard work. So nagkaroon ako ng enough success, nagkaroon ako ng enough money to sit back and relax and actually tignan yung buhay ko.
Yes, time to slow down.
Nakapag-slow down ako, tapos nakita ko na I'm okay na. Parang meron akong kalayaan piliin ko ano yung eksaktong kailangan kong gawin. And pag meron kang security na wala ka dati, parang maisip mo na ano ba yung mga gusto ko lang gawin talaga na comfortable akong gawin na hindi ko to ginagawa for other people. So yung expenses ko, naging matalino ako bigla doon kasi hindi na ako bumibili ng bagay dahil alam ko kung kailangan ko siya o gusto ko lang bang makita ng iba na meron ako nito.
Magpakitang tao.
So, hindi na ako nag-acquire ng mga bagay for validation of others. Hindi na rin ako nag-extra mile na may gagawin ako just so other people can see na ginagawa ko tong bagay na to. Kumbaga, sobrang intentional lang lahat. Intentional buying, intentional na pagpili sa mga bagay na ginagawa ko just because hindi ko na kine-crave yung validation.
And in-exercise mo yung mga gusto mong gawin para sa sarili mo.
Yes.
And that's a great thing. And I remember I had a video called Killing the People Pleaser. Validation issues and people pleasing more has to do with how you see yourself than the people you're trying to please. Kung paano mo tinitignan yung mga paniniwala mo sa sarili mo, yan ang feeling ko yung root. That's the root of the problem. Hindi yung tao na nagkakos. Sila yung resulta. That is the byproduct of the belief that you have about yourself. And I remember it was the first turning point for me as well, where I told my wife, why do you do all of this? And I said, I wanted to prove to myself that I'm good enough. That's it. It was an inner belief that I'm not enough. And that has nothing to do with the people I'm pleasing, but more to do with the relationship with myself. And now, slowing down nga, when you work hard enough, you develop the freedom to slow down and to work on yourself. Because maging totoo tayo, not everyone has the luxury to slow down.
Yeah.
If you have to survive and eat, you don't have the time. Let me self-reflect.
Yeah.
And like,
Ano siya? Privilege ang reflection.
it's a privilege, though I still encourage it if you can, even for 5 minutes, 10 minutes a day, malaking bagay siya, like even just breath work or prayer. But yun, it was really more of a relationship with myself more than the people I was pleasing. I'm personally really happy that you share something like that. And is it a journey pa or have you reached a point na parang, uy, ang laki na ng diferensya kung saan ako ngayon at saan ako dati?
Ano siya, more on, na-realize ko na ang layo ko na sa noon, pero there are still days na parang may mga moments na kailangan mong gumawa ng decision na napapa-reflect ka ulit na nalagay na naman ako sa moment na hindi malinaw sa akin kung pinipili ko ba siya for me or pinipili ko siya for other people. Ongoing battle pero lagi siyang na-i-strengthen na habang lumilipas yung panahon, feeling ko na-i-strengthen lang siya na na-i-strengthen. Pero malayo na ako sa kung ano yung dati.
You've articulated something na feeling ko sobrang importante in the path to change. Nalalaman mo yung diferensya. Sinabi mo you said, hindi ko lang kung ginagawa ko to para sa sarili ko or hindi ko naman ginagawa ko to para sa ibang tao. The fact that may post ka na at nakikita mo yung dalawa, hindi ka nadadala. Yung mga hindi alam to, hindi pa isn't done the work, nadadala sila, ginagawa nila. They do it, but you're stopping, you're like, ako ba to? Or gusto ko lang ipruweba or issues ko to, insecurities ko to. The fact that you can stop is one of, I think, a key thing that you need to do. So the more you'll get better at exercising the difference, you'll even get better at choosing the thing that's for you. Kasi alam mo na kung ano yung feeling na piliin yung gusto mong i-validate yung sarili mo sa ibang tao versus piliin yung sarili mo na gusto mo talagang gawin. I really wish you the very best of that.
Thank you.